In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Python for free on Windows, Mac or Linux, anyone which you want, and it's very easy to download it. And the first thing which you have to do is either Google it or click the first link in the description to go to the Python website python.org to install Python. Next thing you have to do is that you have to choose your operating system. If you are on Windows, you can just click download Python 3.11.2 or whatever version you have and click that. And if you're on Linux or Mac, you have to choose one of those options over there. Or if you're on other operating system, just click on other. So basically you can just click on Python and download Python 3.11.2. Now over here where you have the file name, you can name it what you want, but I am going to keep it as is. Save the file and then you will wait for it to install. Now what you will need to do is go to the File Explorer application, then go to Downloads or wherever you saved your file when we installed it, and there you will see Python. Click on it and then you will see this interface. Click Install Now, and if you want to add to path, just click Add to path and then click Install Now, and here you will wait for Python to download. So that is how you install Python, but you will probably need something like PyCharm to use Python, so we will be installing that as well. So go to the PyCharm website, JetBrains. I will be leaving a link to it in the description down below. Click if you want free the community. If you want the professional version, feel free. And basically you just click download and you follow the same steps that we did when we installed Python. And over here we can conclude our video. That is how you install both PyCharm and Python. I currently don't know exactly where I'm taking my YouTube channel right now. I haven't uploaded for like 6 months now, so this is like a return to YouTube. But for now, until I try to find like a specific niche, I will be uploading a bunch of how-to stuff and information for you guys to enjoy. So thanks for watching. If you liked this video or it helped, leave a like and subscribe. Peace and have a great day.